Wait, a sea with zero waves? That's not a myth, it's real, and it's in Europe. It looks like a massive glass mirror, but it's actually a sea. No tides, no waves, just pure stillness. This is the Adriatic Sea, one of the calmest seas on Earth. It's secret, it's almost landlocked, shallow, and shielded by the Balkans. So instead of wild waves, it just chills. People say it feels like floating in space. Would you swim in a sea this still? Hit that like and tag a friend who needs to see this unreal place.